Let's say you've purchased a theme, in this case, Poseidon. Now, I'm just looking at the documentation here, and I don't have that actual theme, but I want to show you how you can change it. So if we go down to the very bottom and we look at documentation, go to the documentation, scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see variables. So variables is how you would change it. You're going to look for this path in your project, source, assets, layout, variables. In there is where you're going to change it. Now, variables may not be a folder, it may be an actual file, a CSS or a SAS file. That I don't know because I don't have this theme, but if you have that, that's the first place I would look. Let me show you how to find the variables. Go right here and do a right click and go to inspect. It's not showing on my screen capture, but I'm clicking on I'm in the browser, and the browser has a window where I go to inspect. Now, the next thing you want to do is when you do the inspect, going to bring up and show you this window here. So I've got primary color here. This is what I'm looking for. Primary color. Just click on that. This is in the browser inspector window. This takes me down here, and I see the primary color is primary P-primary 500. Let's go to that. So I'm clicking on that. It takes me here, and I can see blue is my color that I'm using. So if I want to change that, I'm going to go back to the screen here, and I'm going to just change it here just to see what happens. So I change that to a different color. Let's go back to the screen, and you'll see that all of this got changed. Now I'm going to stay on the screen, and I'm going to change it back to the blue again, just so that you can see what happens. That is all there is to it. Now, where do you change this? As in the directions, it says go into that source folder, and it tells you the path, and in there you're going to look for these variables. You don't want to change this. This variable is in there as well, and it's going to be using this other primary color. But you want to find out where these are. These are the ones you want to change. Now, in the browser inspect window, you can look at all of these. The P is PrimeNG, so you're going to find a lot of these in here, and this is going to be in your style, and it's going to be in the root. So that's what you're going to look for, and that is where you would change it.